In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Loom, a versatile screen recorder and screen capture tool. Whether you are trying to share business updates, educational material, or simply want to showcase something on your screen, Loom can streamline this process effortlessly. To get started, let's first provide a quick overview of what Loom can do. Imagine being able to capture videos directly from your screen or your webcam, or maybe even a combination of both, all while adding your own voice narration. With tools for camera frames and light editing, your videos are not only informative but also engaging. The best part? Sharing these videos is as simple as sharing a link, making it a breeze to reach your audience wherever they might be. Now, let's dive into using Loom through the Chrome extension. For those who spend most of their time in a web browser, this is a particularly handy option. To begin, install the Loom extension from the Chrome Web Store. It's a straightforward process, just a couple of clicks to add it to your browser. Once installed, you'll find a new Loom icon nestled in your browser toolbar, ready to be clicked when you're ready to start. With the extension installed, it's time to configure your recording. Loom offers multiple capture modes to fit various needs. Full screen, if you're showing everything you're doing, a specific window if you're focusing on an application, or just the current tab for itemized recordings. Alternatively, if you're only wanting to record yourself, there's a camera-only option. If you're interested in a personal touch, toggling on Screen plus Camera allows for a camera overlay where your audience can see you as well as what you are sharing on screen. Don't forget to select your microphone and check the audio indicator to ensure your narration is being captured correctly. Once everything is set up, let's explore some advanced settings. Access these by clicking the menu, giving you potential adjustments like auto lighting for your video, flipping your camera if needed, or perhaps hiding the recording controls for a cleaner look, and managing the countdown settings. When you're ready, click Start Recording. You'll notice a countdown, an opportunity to prepare yourself before capture begins. During the recording, utilize on-screen controls to pause, restart, or even cancel if needed. For added clarity, make use of the drawing tools to provide annotated visuals, enhancing the viewer's understanding. After you've captured your content, click the Stop button to end the session. Loom automatically uploads the video, saving you time and ensuring easy access. Plus, the shareable link is conveniently copied to your clipboard, ready for you to distribute as needed. Keep in mind, while these features are accessible via the Chrome extension, certain capabilities such as HD recording or more advanced annotation tools may require using the Loom desktop app, contingent on your plan. That's all for today's tutorial on using Loom. I hope this guide helps you communicate more effectively through video.